Evening traders and assalamu alaikum. This is Rana from UK Professional Trading School. Hope everyone is okay. In this video I'm gonna do the forecasting of upcoming week, what I'm expecting from the forex currency pair, what's gonna happen for upcoming week as of my point of view. So guys, before I start, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you will be updated from my upcoming video. And I have another announcement for you guys who comment on my video and like my video. You will get the chance to enter in my paid group. The paid group result you will see in the video. So guys, keep commenting, as much comment you can comment on this video and like the video, so you will get the chance to win through lucky draw, and you will be added into my paid group. Let's start to the video. As you can see, this is the chart of CAD JPY. So as you can see guys, last week CAD JPY touched one of our key resistance level. So it's touched there, we sold this pair and we earn about 200 to 300 pips. So from here, let me remove this. What I'm expecting from this pair is, as you can see, it's touched one of my key support level and it start going up. So I'm expecting it will go up again this level or this level, and it will come down. So I'm expecting CAD JPY to go down. Let's move to our next pair, which is CHF JPY. Let me zoom in. The guys who are in my paid group, they knew we sold this pair from here, and I'm expecting this pair to go down. As you can see, it's touch one of this resistance level. Now it start going up, so I'm expecting this kind of movement. Then I will wait for breakout and then boom, because I'm expecting CHF JPY to go down. If it break this level, then it's gonna come to this level. So I'm expecting CHF JPY to go down at least 110. If it break that, the next target is 19, 8 and 7. So as you can, I'm just waiting to break this support level. Let's move to our next pair, which is AUD JPY. Same with the JPY pairs. I was expecting all JPY's pairs to go down, and exactly the same thing happened. We got all this movement, so now it start going up. So if it's touch this level, I will see the price action. So if I got the entry, I will sell it, or if it's break that, then I will wait for this area again, then I'm gonna sell. So I'm expecting AUD JPY to go down. If you have any question regarding any pairs, you can ask me in the comment and I will happy to answer you guys. Let's move to our next pair, which is AUD CAD. As I told you in my previous video, I'm telling you again, I'm expecting all AUD pair to go down. Let me remove this. As you can see, how many times is touch this resistance level. I gave this signal in my paid group as well, and we are still in the sale of that pair. So I'm expecting AUD CAD to go down. As you can see, is break this support level, but it will go up again. So I'm expecting this kind of moment, and then it will go down. So I'm expecting AUD CAD to go down. Let's move to our next pair, which is AUD CHF. I'm not trading in that pair because I'm not getting the confirmed signal. We can buy it from here, but it's not one of my key support level. Those were my key resistance level but I missed that. As you can see here, it's touch here, broke this one and this one, and we got all this movement about 200 pips. So if I will get this kind of movement again, then I'm gonna sell. But I'm not interested to trade in AUD CHF for upcoming week, but I'm expecting it will go down. If it will come down to this level, then I'm gonna definitely buy. So I have to wait for that. Let's move to our next pair, which is AUD NZD, and I'm expecting this pair to go down more. As you can see, we sold it from this level or this level. It's touch from here is break our resistance level, but it will come down and close below those resistance levels. So I'm expecting AUD and ZD to go down. Let me zoom out a bit so we can see the full chart. Yeah, as you can see, it's already close to break this support level. Let me zoom in, show you. As you can see, this bar close to break this level is close here. So I'm expecting AUD and ZD to go down. So let's move to our next pair, which is AUD USD. The guys who see my previous video, watch my previous video, I'm expecting AUD USD to go down, and exactly the same thing happened. But it's break this support level. I'm expecting to break this one, but that didn't happen. So what I'm expecting is close here, this kind of movement, and then boom. The times break this resistance level, the next target of AUD USD is 0.63. But guys, again, that's not a signal, that's my point of view. If you want signals, there is a link in the description, so you can join my Telegram channel and you can contact me over there as well. And you can also please follow us on Instagram and Facebook at UK Pro Traders. That's it for the AUD pairs. Let's move to our next pair, which are Euro AUD, which are Euro pairs. So if you watch my previous video, it was over there, so I was expecting it will go up, and exactly the same thing happened. As break this, touch our this daily resistance level, but it's close here. So what I'm expecting it to be up movement again, and then it's gonna be down. So on the long term time period, I'm expecting Euro AUD to go down, and it will go down a lot. Let's move to our next pair, which is Euro JPY. Again, the guys who watch my previous video, we were here and we sold this pair and we earned about 200-300 pips from that trade. But still, I'm waiting to break this support level. It's close here, so I'm expecting this kind of movement, and then it's gonna go down. So I'm expecting Euro JPY to go down, and it will go down a lot, at least 115 level. Right now is on 121 level, so we can easily get another 600 pips, but if we need confirmation to get those pips. Euro CAD, right now Euro CAD is in between, so I'm not looking any trade. It will come down this level, then I'm gonna buy. If it will go up this level, then I'm gonna sell. So I'm not gonna trade Euro CAD next week until I didn't get the confirmation. Let's move to our next pair, which is Euro CHF. I'm expecting Euro CHF to go up, but touch our this support, is break this one of our monthly resistance level and touch our support level. So I'm looking for this kind of moment when it will come down to this level, and I will wait for this breakout, and then I'm gonna buy. So I'm expecting Euro CHF to go up. So let's see what happened next week. Let's move to our next pair, which is Euro NZD. The guys who watched my previous video, I was expecting all this movement from Euro NZD and GBP NZD, and exactly the same thing happened. But now what I'm expecting from Euro NZD, as you can see, break this resistance level, but it will come down and close here. So I'm expecting this kind of movement, so I'm gonna buy Euro NZD from this level. Let me zoom out for you. Yeah, so I'm expecting Euro NZD to come down at least this level, then I'm gonna buy. I'm expecting Euro NZD, it will go up. Let's move to our next pair, which is Euro USD. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. I will happy to help you out, and I will happy to answer you guys. That's the pair, that's the chart of Euro USD. Let me zoom in. Yeah, as you can see, the guys who are in my paid group, they knew we sold Euro USD couple of times last week, on 1.141 and 1.135 level. The both trades hits our target, and but what I'm expecting Euro USD to break this support level. If it break that, the next target of Euro USD is 1.090, but I'm looking for this kind of confirmation. If it break that, then I'm gonna sell again. So I'm expecting Euro USD to go down, and it will go down a lot. Let's move to our next pair. That's it for the Euro pairs. Now starting GBP pairs. GBP USD, let me zoom in. As you can see, it's touch our this daily resistance, and it's come down and also break this daily support. So I'm expecting it will go down at least this level, and then it's gonna go up. For the long time of period, I'm expecting GBP USD to go up, but for shorter time period, it will go down and then it's gonna go up. Let's move to our next pair, which is Euro GBP. I'm expecting Euro GBP to go down. The guys who are in my paid group, they knew we sold it from this level and we earned all these pips. Now it's up again, so I'm gonna sell this, and I'm expecting Euro GBP to go down. I'm just waiting to clear breakout. As you can see, it's touched this level, it's go up, touch here, go up. So I'm looking for clear breakout, and then it will go down. In the long term time period, the Euro GBP target is 0.85. From here, at least 500 pips down. So I'm expecting Euro GBP to go down. Let's see what happens for upcoming week. But as soon as the market will open, I'm definitely gonna sell this pair. If you have any question regarding this, you can comment. I will love to answer you guys. Let's move to our next pair, which is GBP AUD. The guys who are in my paid group, we got all these pips. Now it's start coming down, so I'm expecting it will come down this level or this level. We're gonna buy again because I'm expecting GBP AUD to go up. If it break this level, then the next target of GBP AUD is 1.96. From here is about 1600 pips, but it's not gonna happen in one day or one night. It will take time. So as of my point of view, I'm expecting GBP AUD to go up. So let's move to our next pair, which is GBP CAD. Right now, as you can see, GBP CAD is in between, so it's a kind of running sideways. When market is running sideways, I didn't trade on those pairs, so I'm not gonna do anything on GBP CAD for upcoming week. Let's move to our next pair, which is GBP CHF, and I'm expecting GBP CHF to go up, and it will go up a lot. The guys who are in my paid group, they knew we have one stop loss hit on that pair as well, and very next day we covered that. So I'm expecting it will come down this level again, and I'm expecting GBP CHF to go up, and it will go up a lot. If you buy from here, and if you have a patient, so I'm expecting this pair to go down at least 1.30 level. From here it's about 1100 pips, but it's not gonna happen in one day or one night. It will take time, but that's my top point. That's not a trade, I'm telling you straight away right now. That's my point of view, what I'm expecting from this pair. So if you need a signal, there is a link in the description, so you can join my Telegram channel and you can get proper signals, proper entry point with the stop losses and take profits. So you will get in my paid group, and I'm gonna definitely show you the paid group result in this video as well. Let's move to our next pair, which is GBP JPY. The guys who watched my previous video, I was expecting it will go down, and we sold it in our paid group from here as well. So we already on about 250 pips from that trade. So it's break this support level, but end of the week is close above from that support level. So what I'm expecting, this kind of moment, and then it's gonna go down. I'm expecting GBP JPY to at least this level, which is 1.290, but it's not gonna happen in one day. It will take time. So when the market open, I will see the price action. So what we have to do, and I will take the decision according to that. Let's move to our next pair, which is GBP NZD. The guys who are in my paid group and who are watching my previous video are expecting it will go up. We earn about 200 pips from that trade, and it will come down again. Excuse me. So what I'm expecting from GBP NZD, it will go up like Euro NZD, but we have to wait for the clear confirmation, and we have to see from where we need to enter those pairs. That's it from the GBP pairs. Let's move to NZD pairs. This is the chart of NZD CAD, and I was expecting NZD CAD to go down, but we only got this 50 pips trade, so it's moving a bit sideways. I'm just waiting to break this level, and then it's gonna go down, and I'm expecting NZD CAD to go down. Let's see what happened to upcoming week. Let's move to our next pair, which is NZD JPY. The guys who are in my paid group and who was watching my previous video, I'm expecting our JPY pairs to go down, and exactly the same thing happened. But it's close again. It's break this support level, but it will go up and close again. So I'm expecting this kind of movement, and it will go down. I'm expecting NZD JPY to go down for upcoming week. Let's move to our next pair, which is NZD CHF. Right now NZD CHF is in between, so I'm not gonna do anything for upcoming week. Let's move to our next pair, which is NZD USD. Yep, the guys who are in my paid group and who watch my previous video, I'm expecting NZD to go down, and we earn about 150 pips from that trade. So what I'm expecting, it will go up again on this level or this level, then we're gonna sail again. I'm just waiting for clear breakout for this support level. The next target of NZD USD is 0.60. If it's break that, then the next target will be this support level, which is 0.59. So let's see the market open. If you have any question regarding that, please mention in the comment. I will definitely answer you. That's it for the NZD pairs. Let's move to USD pairs. This is USD CAD. The guys who watched my previous video, I was expecting USD CAD to go down, and when it was on that level 1.540, we got this movement. Now it's on this kind of moment, and then it will go down. So I'm expecting USD CAD to go down at least 1.28 level. Let's move to our next pair, which is USD JPY. Guys who are in my paid group, they knew we voted from here, and it's running in plus. So I'm expecting this kind of moment, then it will go up. So I'm expecting USD JPY to go up for upcoming week. Same with the USD CHF. Guys who are in my paid group, watch my previous video, I'm expect we bought this pair from here, from this of my support level, and as you can see it's going up. So I'm expecting this kind of moment again, and it will go up. I'm expecting USD CHF go up, and it will go up a lot. Let's go to our last pair, last but not the least, the gold. Guys who watched my previous video, I was expecting gold to go down, and we go all this moment, and now it's up again. As you can see, gold is not breaking this hour. It's break here, but it will come down straight away. This resistance, that's the key resistance. So the guys who are in my paid group, they knew we sold gold on 1739, and we get all these pips. So I'm expecting gold to go down at least this level, which is 1665. If it's break that level, the next target of the gold is, let me zoom in, yeah, this one, 1521. So let me remove this. As you can see, those two red lines, those were the key lines. So it's a kind of pivot point. If it break that, the next target straight away this one. So thanks for watching for this video. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon, so you will be updated for my upcoming video. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Bye.